New Year's Eve, my daughters and I were spending some time together, as we always do, and we were doing a cheers about what we were looking forward to, cheers about what we survived, all the things. And my oldest daughter said something that was so profound, yet so simple. And she said, "It's crazy what difference a one can make." And if I can be honest, I've been sitting on that statement for the last several days and felt really led in my spirit to talk about that and share that here today. Now, obviously, right here and right now, she was talking about moving from 2020 to 2021. So the difference of 1 year or adding a one to the end of a date and a number. But I thought about it in regards to a lot of different things. One decision, one mindset shift, one commitment, one action step. There's a lot of different ways that we can interpret it. One of my all-time favorite quotes says, "You are literally one decision away from a totally different life." And that's what I've been sitting with, along with my daughter's statement, that has been so insightful to me. For the last 5 years, my daughters and I have held tight to one word or one mantra that we're going to use throughout the year that's going to give us momentum and motivation to keep showing up. In the past, I have always said if I can just take one small step today, that will get me closer to my goals, then I know that I'm working in the right direction. And I think that as women, when we have big visions, we have big goals, we have big desires and aspirations, we have this idea, we fall victim to this concept that we have to do all the things. We have to change all of the things. We have to take all of these actions. And what I want to share with you today and challenge you to shift your belief around is that you only have to commit to one decision, one action step, or one mindset shift can literally be the difference of staying stuck and stagnant to breaking through and finding and creating the success that you desire and deserve. The truth is, there's no coincidence that we deal with overwhelming emotions. In fact, there's a direct relationship or correlation between how unhappy you are or unfulfilled that you feel to how far out of alignment you're truly living. We cannot listen to our body's desires and calls to be and do more and continue to put our dreams and our visions and all the things that we truly desire deep down on the back burner. Because when you do that, that's when you're going to bring to the surface all of those emotions: bitterness, frustration, resentment. If you want to begin to shift that, obviously I'm not going to tell you to jump into the pool. I'm going to talk about how you can dip one toe in at a time. And so what I want to challenge you to do today is I want to challenge you to take a moment and I want you to reflect on what is one action step that you can commit to today to begin living more authentically and more in alignment with who and what you know you're called to be and do. As you're reflecting on that, I want you to be a gentle observer. Don't beat yourself up. Provide yourself grace and just agree to commit to that action step today. Will it always be fun? No. Will it always be convenient? No. But what it will be is worth it. If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, you're done with putting your dreams, visions, hopes, and aspirations and goals on the back burner, and you're ready to take action to truly live your best life, I have just the thing for you. If you use the link below, you can get totally free access to my Live Your Best Life guide, where I literally help you to do an audit of your life, find out where you're out of alignment, and commit to just one shift that will literally transform your life. So use the link below, and I look forward to seeing you there.